Two leading CMS platforms, Durable and HubSpot. One big question, which one truly powers your site best? On the left, Durable CMS, the fast-growing, AI-powered newcomer. And on the right, HubSpot CMS, the feature-packed veteran trusted by businesses worldwide. We're testing everything you care about: setup, customization, speed, integrations, price, support, and scalability. Let's leave the marketing hype behind and see what really works for real teams and creators. Each category gets a score, so you'll know precisely which CMS comes out on top. The winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, before we get wild with the pros and cons, here's a quick mind map of what we're comparing today. Price, ease of use, marketing and growth features, customization and integrations, security and hosting, and finally, ecosystem and support. Alright, let's get into it. Let's kick things off with price, because, come on, who doesn't want to know how much they're going to drop up front, right? So Durable is honestly super attractive here. It's low cost, very transparent, you pretty much know what you're paying for, and it's a no-brainer for someone on a tight budget. But, fair warning, with that low price, you're giving up some advanced options. Now HubSpot, this is where things get a little more complicated. HubSpot's flexible with their plans, especially if you're already deep in their marketing or CRM world. It can all bundle together. But those upper tiers, yikes, that's going to add up fast, especially when you tack on extras. So for price, Durable is just the winner, no contest. Jumping into ease of use. This is always huge for me. If you hate setups that take all weekend, listen up. Durable's AI-powered builder-like, you can literally launch a site in seconds. It's so breezy, it almost feels like magic, but with a catch, it's not super customizable if you're a developer trying to get fancy. HubSpot, though, goes for that drag-and-drop vibe, and they've got this massive library of tutorials. But, and here's the thing, sometimes the interface is a little too much. Especially for people who are just getting started, all those features can get in your way. So, for sheer get online fast value, Durable nabs it here. Alright, let's talk marketing and growth, and this is where things shift. Durable gives you the basics, like simple SEO tools and easy forms for grabbing contacts. But yeah, if you want built-in analytics or sophisticated automations, it's just not happening for you. Now with HubSpot, it's like stepping into a marketing spaceship. You've got powerful automation, deep analytics, a built-in CRM, all that jazz. For a small site, it can honestly feel like way too much. But if you plan to grow, it totally shines. So yeah, HubSpot easily shines. So yeah, HubSpot easily takes the win here. Oh, and here's something cool I dug up. Did you know HubSpot CMS has been around since 2013? That's a decade in the game. Durable, on the other hand, it's like the new kid from the 2020s, showing up with fresh AI ideas. Moving on to customization and integrations. So, Durable, what you see is kind of what you get. You can edit templates and all that, but if you want to connect with fancy apps or really dig into developer stuff, it's just not built for that. Meanwhile, HubSpot. Okay, you may need some technical chops, but wow, there's a whole ecosystem here. Tons of integrations, APIs, even a market full of third-party apps. Great if you love tinkering, but it does get a bit involved. Either way, for sheer possibility, HubSpot is the clear winner in this round. Now, security and hosting stuff we all hope is solid but rarely want to think about. Both Durable and HubSpot come through pretty well here. Durable gives you managed hosting, SSL out of the box, all the basics for peace of mind. HubSpot levels up with enterprise-grade security and regular compliance checks, but honestly, setting everything up for the best security can be a little technical. Still, they're both dependable, so I'm calling this one a tie. Let's wrap the category breakdowns with ecosystem and support. Durable's got this cool, active startup vibe, but the support team, a bit smaller. It's just not this massive network yet. Flip to HubSpot, the ecosystem is huge, like agencies, partners, and customer meetups everywhere, plus 24/7 support and mountains of tutorials. Sometimes though, if you're on one of the cheaper plans, responses can get a little slow. But honestly, HubSpot's community and support options are just next level, so they've got this one. Just to sum things up and get a bird's eye view, here's how Durable and HubSpot stack up across all those categories. From price and ease of use to integrations and support, you can spot the superstars and weak points at a glance. It paints a pretty clear picture, honestly. So, bottom line, here's my take. If you're a solo founder or just want to launch a site fast without the headaches and don't need a gazillion integrations, Durable is kind of perfect. But if you're building with a team or you really want those deep marketing powers and flexible app stack, HubSpot CMS is just going to handle all that. The winner's totally different depending on what you need, but you can see why people love each one. If you found this helpful, don't forget, follow for more real-world product breakdowns and let me know what platforms you want to see next.